Hello everyone. Today we are dealing with the distribution of non-chlorophyll accessory pigments. The non-chlorophyll accessory pigments are carotenoids and phycobilins. In green algae, beta-carotene and xanthophylls are present. Gamma-carotene, lycopene and xanthophyll are present in charophytes. Euglenoids contain beta-carotene and xanthophyll. Beta-carotene and fucoxanthin occur in yellow-brown or golden-brown algae. Dinoflagellates contain pyridinine. Phycobilins are present in cryptomonads. Yellow-green algae possesses beta-carotene and didinoxanthin. Beta-carotene, epsilon carotene and fucoxanthin occur in diatoms. Brown algae consist of beta-carotene and fucoxanthin. Phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, lutein and tetraxanthin are found in red algae, while blue-green algae contains phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, phycocyanobelin, beta-carotene, mixoxanthin, mixoxanthophil. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.